Monkees. Love this song. I love the Monkees, actually. I watched a bunch of their reruns. I was, born or whatever later than them, but they had so many cool songs. I don't think they wrote many of them, but they sure were good musicians and singers. So I'm going to teach you this song in under 3 minutes. And I'm Steve, and I hope you're doing great. So let's just get right to it. It begins here in a G major with no capo, and it goes, starting off with the verse, G major, I thought love was only true, D major, in G major, fairy tales. G, D major, G. Now we go to C major, love was out to get me. G major, C, G, C, G, D, and then stop it. Whatever you do, grab all the strings, stop it, boom, and I saw her face, and it goes G, C, G, over and over again, real fast. So you can go G, C, G, I'm a believer. Or you can do it with your pinky here, play a G with your pinky, which allows you to move these fingers into place for a C major and leave that pinky right there, which sort of matches the note of the song, the singer's going, oh, I'm a believer, G, C, no doubt in my mind, all that stuff. Then he goes, I've been lost, G, C, I'm a believer, G, I couldn't F major, that's F major, if I tried, D major. Then it does it again, goes through the verse again. Super fun. Now, let's talk about that cool little note at the very beginning. It's really not that hard. You hit an open G string, and then put any finger you want, take your pick. Maybe I'll do my second finger on the 6th fret of the B string, hit it twice, and go to the 5th fret of that B string twice, and then hit it once on the 3rd. So this. And I just did this little clicking noise until I went into the verse. Now I think technically it goes like, what does it do? Hey, this is a little bonus. We got a second here. 3rd fret of the A string, hammer onto the 5th fret of the A string, and then 3rd fret of the D string. Oops, sorry, that one. Like that. Anyway, rewind and pause those things. This is a 3-minute lesson, so I can't spend too much time on it, but that's it. Once you learn the verse and the chorus, you just repeat those over and over again with chords. And if you try those extra little notes, I'd love to hear how you did in the comments. Tell me if you can nail this one. Super cool. And once you get the hang of it, people are like, oh, I know that song, I'm a believer. They probably think it's from Shrek, is what they think the song's from. All right, catch you later. I'm Steve, and I'll see you next time.